zip, let's take a peek into the backpack, magical and sleek. What's inside? Let's take a ride on a learning adventure far and wide. The magic backpack, what's inside? Let's open it up and take a ride. Books that whisper, snacks that sing, pencils that dance and jump and swing. A ruler that stretches to the moon, a lunchbox playing a happy tune, crayons coloring skies so blue, and a notebook full of dreams come true. Zip, pop, look at that, a tiny globe with a talking cat, maps that fly and markers that glow. The more we learn, the more we grow. The magic backpack, what's inside? Imagination we can't hide. School is cool and learning's bright, with our backpack packed just right. So pack it up and don't forget your dreams, your smile, your alphabet. The magic backpack's always near. Adventure starts when you're prepared, my